So now let's talk about how you can save emails on your iPhone and let's get into it. So it might happen to you that you receive an important email or whatever it might be, and you somehow want to save it, right? So using the built-in mail app, we don't really have that many options if I'm being honest. Like you can see that there isn't like any ability you can, put it in some of your folders, right? Or you can just reply to it or forward it. You can do some of these things, but the option that we want to look for is essentially the print option. So again, if you click on the reply or like the left arrow, there is the ability to click on print. And the print option will basically show you or return this email into a print format, which you don't have to necessarily actually print out because, you can choose a select the printer, right? But you can also just click on the share icon right there, and you essentially have a PDF document which contains all of the information which is part of your email. So you can save that to files, for example, right? So I'm going to put it on my iPhone right there, and I'm going to put it into folder 2, right? Whatever. So I'm going to save it right here. And if I check out the files, so let me just quickly show you what it looks like. So folder 2, here is the PDF. So right now I have the email saved with the date and time, with the recipient, with the sender, the title, content, images, everything is saved right there in my files, and I can do whatever I want with it. I can share it to someone else, I can print it, I can do whatever I need. So this is how it works. In my case, this is the best way to save emails. So yeah, let me know below in the comments if you like this method. Subscribe for more tips and guides like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.